Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi. Today we're going to make some 3D ornaments on this little white tip. And if you recognize that PolyGel, it's because it's the same mix that I used yesterday for the flower nail. I just had a little blob of it left over and I was like, what can I make with that? And it just dinged in my head, let's make an ornament. And so I'm making one of those ornaments that are, you know, they're long and they're like round in the middle but pointy on the ends. I don't know what that shape is called. Let me know. Do you know what that shape is called? And I'm just patting and pressing that into the shape that I want. And luckily it's PolyGel, so I can really play with it. So this is a super easy DIY 3D ornament thing, and I'm just really perfecting the shape. And you can see there is a little marbling, but really once it's cured, you don't notice it. So I'm going to have to perfect that. I want to get some more colored ones. I think Modelones has some colored ones, so I'm going to start tagging them in my posts and be all, I can't wait to try some new PolyGels, Modelones. Maybe they'll see my channel and be like, girl. Anyway, speaking of things coming in, I have gotten my package from eNail Couture. I also got my, and I mentioned this already, I've already gotten my AliExpress order, and I can't wait to show you that. So we're going to have an unboxing video in a couple of days. Tomorrow's video is already shot, and I just need to edit it. It's going to be a little bit longer than today's and yesterday's video because it's a full set. Okay, now it's cured. I'm putting a little bit of top coat around the ornament. You don't actually want to get on there. And then I'm going to put this up here, ding, as sort of a second, not sort of a, as a second ornament. And we're going to take some more top coat and I'm going to put it in the middle here. Okay, so tomorrow's video is a full look, and I can't wait to show you guys that one. I think it came out super cute. It's sort of a Art Deco-y take on a Christmas nail. Not 100% Art Deco, but just my own little interpretation of that. I wish I had cleaned this up better. I did a really sloppy job at that, and when I watch it back on the computer as I do the voiceover, I see my mistakes. So that's the one good thing about doing the voiceover, is that I'm catching a lot of my mistakes, and that's going to help me be a better nail tech. So yay, yay, yay. Although, like right here, I should have tried harder to get this glitter off, but it's because I didn't clean up enough. And so it's my mistake that this particular ornament ends up looking excuse me, ends up looking a tiny bit sloppy, because I should have tried a little harder, honestly. Now I'm just putting a little more top coat on top of this. Oh, and camera problems. And filling that in, you really want to raise it up because you're trying to get that rounded look, right? And then we're going to cure that. Or, I'm sorry, we're not going to cure that. I don't know why I even said that. We're going to sit there out of focus for a second. And we're going to grab some other glitters that match this glitter with the greens, the blues, and the purples, but with different shapes, right? The other glitter is more of a lined glitter, and this one is all circles, little dot glitters. And you can really see here where I made all those mistakes. So let this be a lesson to you. Cleanup is essential on this particular style of nail. Just it is. So that's my bad. Now we're going to really build that up so it's super rounded, right? I'm going to add another drop, and then we're going to cure it. Now I've got the Modelones solid painting gel in number 11. And it's hard to always get on there at first, so I'm loading the brush on this spatula. And now we're going to use that to go around the outside of that bottom ornament. because it needs some dimension, it needs some sparkle and life. And honestly, I kind of wish that I had put that hollow glitter on there. So that's another mistake. I could have done better. While I'm lining this, let me just go ahead and say I am super grateful to have you guys come by today and watch this video with me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you for watching. My regulars who comment all the time, you know who you are. I adore you guys. You are my favorites. My subscribers, you are my favorites. So please make sure you share these videos everywhere. Let's get some more favorites over here. And let's get lots more besties watching the videos and joining our community. I just really love the idea of us starting to be able to take advantage of more of the YouTube perks as the channel grows. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that same polish after I finish running it around here, and I'm going to take some spiral lines, just 2 of them, but going from the left upwards to the right, just to make it sort of a spiral feeling. And of course I'm going to do some of that off camera. I have an idea actually of a way to make sure that I stay in frame, and I'm going to pick up a couple things probably at the dollar store, because what I have in mind doesn't need to be expensive, and we're going to make it better, because I'm going to make this a good channel for you guys. I really want to put in the effort to make this a place that you want to come. And once we get this cured, I didn't do it on camera. I think I forgot to press record, but I do actually take some of the Model 1's black and do a little dot at the top of each of the ornaments to mimic the ornament holder, the little hanger that you use to hang it to your tree. All right, and popping in the lamp. See what I mean? I didn't do it on camera. I totally forgot. But then I take the same silver and just make little strings off the top so that mimics what you put it on the tree with. And again, I'm going to do some of that off camera. It's frustrating. I'm frustrating. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below. What did you like about it? Were you laughing at my mistakes? You really should be, because I certainly am. And here we are out of focus again. I wish I had realized that. I think it gets a little better here in a second. But you do have a few reveal shots, and I hope that you enjoy them. Have a great day, guys. Mwah.